Hey everybody, hope you're all good. If you're new to my channel, my name is Abby and I focus on affordable beauty. So that includes skincare, makeup and hair care. So if that sounds like your thing, please do hit the notification bell and also thumbs up this video if you like my content. So today I wanted to do another Glossybox product review, I suppose. So I got my Glossybox yesterday and I haven't actually opened it, so I've been really good. And I haven't seen a single video on this either, so I don't know what's in here. So hopefully it'll be a good one. So the one we got for, what month are we in? The one we got for June was a little on the light side and slightly underwhelming. So hopefully this one will be good. So it feels a bit heavy, so hopefully we've got some good things in here. Just gonna rip it open. Oh, okay, already I'm impressed. So we have this really impressive design on the box with aloha on here. Let's do this. So this is what the box design looks like. So if you're new to Glossybox, Glossybox is a subscription service where you get a mixture of beauty products. So that's skincare or makeup or hair care. And yeah, so it has, I think, 3 tiers. I never remember what this is, so all the information will be in the description box. In addition to a few other links in there that you might find useful. So I never remember what the actual payment system is. All I know is that I subscribe to the monthly and I pay about £13.95 or so, I believe. £3.95 out of that is shipping, so the actual box value is £10, and you get a mixture of sample and deluxe size, as well as actually full-size products as well. So you get a good mixture in here. So I'm already impressed by this design. I absolutely love it. This is like right up my street. So we are going to see what we have for this month's box, and every box for every month has a theme. So we'll see what this theme is. Well, it has to do with paradise, I suppose, and probably traveling. So we usually get a description of what we're going to get in the box and a little pamphlet like this. So I will try to breeze right through this as quickly as possible. So it says, hey Glossies, as July is all about tropical summer vibes, we've brought that aloha feeling straight to your door. No matter where you spend the sunny months, you feel like you're on the sandy beaches of Hawaii, thanks to these 5 beauty must-haves. Whether you're on the hunt for a radiant sun-kissed glow, need a refreshing skincare treatment, or want to add a flush of color to your lips, we've got everything you need nestled inside your special design July Aloha Glossybox. Let the summery scents and radiance enhancing products carry you away into sunset. So the first thing we have is from a brand called Jekka Black, and this is the product here. Okay, so this is the Glow Drop Primer, and it says, wherever your summer adventures take you. That's what it looks like. So it says, wherever your summer adventures take you, flaunt a gorgeous dew radiance thanks to these multitasking glow drops. Not only do they prime your skin and create a glowing base ready for makeup application, but they hydrate your skin too. Simply spread the primer evenly onto your face using your fingertips, then apply a base makeup over the top. A hydrated iridescent finish awaits. So RRP for this is £16, and it's available at jekkablack.com. So I believe, well, it feels like this might be an American brand, I suppose, but who knows. So it says these are glow drops. They're vegan friendly, cruelty free, and the color I got was rose pearl. So I think these are just like liquid highlighters, I suppose. The packaging is really cute. Like, this is nice. I'm going to do it here. So the packaging on this is really nice. And you do get 20 ml of product, so 10 ml less than you would get in like a regular foundation. I am yet to do like a proper glowy foundation routine, so I think this will be something to add to that, to give you that glowy base. So I'm happy that it doesn't have any glitter in it, and it doesn't have a scent either. So this is my hand. So to be honest, it doesn't really okay, so if you look really closely, you can see, like, is it mica that they usually use in highlighter? So you can see something, but it's like a slight iridescence. So it should, you can see a bit of a shimmer. Okay. So I'm glad it's not like properly glittery or blingy. So I feel like this might just add a bit of a subtle glow. But then the question is this any different from the glow I would get if I used a moisturizer? I don't know. I can't see it once it's rubbed in, so it's a bit like, what purpose would this serve? But I hope it does something. I will try it out. Okay, next we have something from a brand called Naobay. So Naobay. So this is called the Orange Juice Hand Cream. I like the sound of that, and you get quite a lot of this as well. So you get 100 ml of product, that is 3.4 fluid ounces. So it says, there's no better way to hydrate your skin. There's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with the luscious hand cream that smells of freshly squeezed orange juice, blending shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera, and orange water. This intensely moisturizing formula infuses your skin with revitalizing nutrients and vitamins that will leave it feeling soft and regenerated. Massage it into your hands and nails throughout the day when required. RRP is £11.50 and it's available at naobay.com. So this is meant to be natural and organic, and I absolutely love the scent of orange. Not so much eating oranges, but I love the scent of anything orange related. I just love it. So it has a good consistency to it. And it has a nice subtle scent of orange. Yeah. And I love the packaging as well. This is not wood, by the way. This is plastic with a wood effect to it, but it looks really nice. I just want to see whether or not it absorbs or leaves a greasy feel to my hands. Like, I hate hand cream that, I don't know, leaves your hand feeling greasy so you feel like you need to wash your hands again. But this is absorbing in really well. Yeah, and the scent is not overwhelming at all. It feels like the natural scent of oranges, like when you peel an orange and you have that scent from the oils on your hands. It smells like a slightly more subtle version of that. So yeah, and my hands feel really soft and not too greasy. So yeah, a good sign. Next we have something from Give Them Lala Beauty. Okay, that's a really cute name. So this is the Aloha Bronzer, and it says, even if you can't make it onto a sandy beach this summer, you can still show off a natural looking sun-kissed tan thanks to this bronzer. So let's see what the bronzer actually looks like. Oh, right. Oh, so this is the inspiration for the box. This is cute. I already have the feeling this will not be a color for me, because usually when I get complexion products, or at least when people of my color get complexion products in these subscription boxes, they're never dark enough. I mean, I wish Glossybox would just ask you for a color preference, and I wish these brands would actually provide that. So this is what it looks like, and that is not going to bronze anything on my skin. The thing is, it's because it's a bronzer. I mean, it's a shimmery bronzer, but it's just not dark enough to bronze anything, and it's not yellow enough to be a powder. Yeah, I can't use this, but this is nice. They tried, but they failed. I honestly wish Glossybox would have like a color preference for their subscribers, so at least when complexion products do come up, we can actually pick, or at least we can choose what we want, or we can tell you what color we are, and then you can match the products to us. Or if you don't have a suitable product, then you can actually give us something else that actually will match. You know, there's ways around this, and yeah, rather than giving us products that we can't use. I mean, this isn't a one size fits all. That's probably one of the downsides to subscription boxes like this. When it comes to complexion products, you know, people with a darker skin tone aren't necessarily always considered. But anywho, we move. So the next product is from, oh, I didn't actually finish telling you about the bronzer. So it says, boasting a long wearing and highly pigmented formula, it glides effortlessly onto your skin to give you that bronzed goddess look. Use the large fluffy brush to apply it along your hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. So the RRP for this is £19.80 and it's from the brand and it's available on givethemlala.com. The next product is from the brand Beauty Crop, which I believe we have had other products from this brand. And yes, if I remember, it was this really tiny quad eyeshadow thing that looked like a really cheap sample. Yeah, I mean, the products might have been good, but I was not impressed by the size and the thinness of it. It was properly small. It was like maybe like this small a while back. So this is the Palm Balm. And it sounds impressive. It has a really cute name to it, and the packaging on here looks really cute. So it says, achieve a holiday worthy tropical glow with this multi-purpose balm formulated with 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut and apricot oils. Its luscious texture not only conditions and hydrates your palate, but also doubles as a creamy blush to add a fresh, rosy flush to your complexion. Apply it onto your cheeks, lids, or eyelids, then blend it in with your fingertips for a natural, radiant finish. RRP £18. And this is available on thebeautycrop.com. So I actually, right, so the color on this, so the color I got was Mauve Wave. It looks like it might be a cool tone pink. So I'm looking at this color, trying to figure out whether or not it'll be worth opening, because I might not be able to use this and I don't want to waste it. So this is what the color looks like. I don't know. Let me open it. Yeah, we're gonna need a lip liner for this for sure. It doesn't feel too bad on the lips, but the color isn't, yeah, it's a bit too light for me, but it's really cute. I like the packaging. And I think this is glass. I feel like it's glass. Yeah, I think it's glass. It has a bit of weight to it. Okay. And then lastly, we have something from the brand Cocoa Star. Oh, I'm getting a cramp. We have something from the brand Cocoa Star. So this is the fruit slice mask sheet. So this is what it looks like. So it says, say hello to your fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to these Korean face masks. Infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon extracts, they provide your complexion with an intense burst of moisture and hydration that helps to protect your skin barrier and feel so refreshing. Apply yours onto clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage the excess serum into your skin. RRP £4, and it's available from cocostar.eu. So which one did I get? I got the watermelon. Yeah, so I will try that. It looks really cool, and I like watermelon, so why not? Yeah, so I'm not going to try this now, obviously, but I can't take myself seriously with this. But yeah, so that's everything we got. I like the gift. I mean, I like the packaging for this. It's just such a pity that this bronzer is not, you know, dark enough. But anywho, I think everything else was quite good. Yeah, everything else was quite good. I'm gonna need a lip liner for this, but yeah, everything else I can use. So yeah, so 3 or 3.5 out of 5 is not bad. That's like my limit. So yeah, not bad. So that was everything we got for the month of July. what was I going to add? Yeah, so yeah, do check out my other videos down in the description box, and I will also link some right now. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you like my content, scroll through my channel, see if you see anything that you might like there. And yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought of this month's box, if you got it, and has this convinced you to get a subscription if you haven't already thought about one for Glossybox. So yeah, I really like this box actually. I mean, yeah, this is very, very nice. Yeah, this is nice. But yeah, until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.